Hey everybody, this video is going to be take two on it's a 2000 Volkswagen Beetle lock. I've already cut the key for it. The bidding, which I'll just toss on the screen and just leave it up there for the video, is 22433444. And so there's the cut key, which I cut on a Condor Dolphin. And I'm going to throw in the top right of the screen here a link to the video if you want to see this key actually being cut. I did record it. It's on my other channel. And interesting thing about these Lishis is these set the longest wafer or longest pin just by inserting the tool. This lock system, the longest one happens to be a 4-cut, and half the lock is 4 cuts. So that means you only have to pick half the wafers. Now, I know that now, so it makes it real easy to pick, because I know just not to touch any of the 4 cuts. Something to get used to when you're practicing, as you use locks with known bidding, you can kind of get a feel for what the longest ones feel like, because if you're not sure and you think it's binding and you push it, you're going to overset it and you'll never get the lock open. So it is crucial to be able to actually detect those. It's basically a rule of thumb: if it springs at all, just leave it alone. And we'll see on this one, though, I'm not going to have to pick anything with the 4-cut, so it's essentially going to be 1, 2, and then 4 and 5 is all we're going to have to pick to get this lock open. So I'm going to put some tension on it, kind of heavy tension. Okay, picked 1 till we're springing. Pick 2 till we're springing. Okay, 4 we're springing. And number 5. And the lock's already open. So notice 1, 2, 4, 5 is all we had to pick to get this guy open. So just don't have to even touch any of the number 4s. They're just going to pick by themselves. So you just want to just be kind of used to what they feel like, which just takes practice, of what the 4 cuts feel like. Because like I said, if you think it's binding and you push and you do manage to set it, now it's overset and that lock is never going to open. So something just to practice. Of course, do it again just as easy. 1, 2, 4, 5, and open. Simple as that. And it's of course easy, since I know the bidding on it. The first time through the video, it probably took me 15 or 30 seconds longer to actually get it picked the first time through. And when I saw the bidding, I ran it through a code fill program to make sure that it was actually legit, and it totally is. Comes with a code of 0798, and key works perfectly. And like I said, check out the other video in the top right corner if you do want to see the key being actually cut. And that's all I got on this one. Questions, comments, as always, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the bell, and on. And it's going to do it for now. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.